Hi, I'm Will from Heartland, and I'm in Texas. I'm always amazed when I come down here to see the pace and scale of the development in this state. I'm reminded of a statistic I saw a few years back comparing the population of Texas and Illinois since 1970. Both states had roughly 11 million residents at that time. You fast forward today, Illinois, I think, is sitting just shy of 13 million, while Texas is in excess of 30 million, which is quite remarkable. Anyway, I'm here meeting with a few of our holdings, getting updates following fourth quarter earnings, just trying to get a little bit more perspective on 2025 outlooks. I thought I'd use this month's video to profile one of those businesses, but also touch on two of our 10 principles of value investing, cash flow and catalyst. Because in reality, the 10 principles are really intertwined. One of the principles goes from a yes to no. Our thinking changes. Our 10 principles drive our investment decision-making process, our buy and sell decisions at Heartland. The business I want to discuss is a company called DNOW. It's formerly known as Distribution Now. As you can imagine, it's a distribution business. Distributors, generally speaking, have higher odds of generating free cash flow because they don't have hefty capital expenditure needs. Cash flow is one of our 10 principles of value investing. There's an old saying in Wall Street that cash is king. I guess I just enhanced that saying by sharing that we think free cash flow is king because free cash flow allows businesses to pay down debt, repurchase their own shares, initiate a dividend, raise a dividend, and or do accretive acquisitions. In the case of DNOW, they've been buying back their own stock and also doing acquisitions, which really leads to the catalyst because when they were spun out of National Oilvarco or NOV in 2014, it was correctly seen as a distributor heavily geared to the E&P CapEx cycle. And that is still true today, but they've been using their free cash flow to diversify their business to the industrial and midstream operations and other adjacent markets too, which really has improved the business profile of the company, improved the fundamentals. And this is something that we identified as a potential catalyst given the cash flow characteristics of the company a few years back when we started our initial due diligence on DNOW. We saw it as a re-rating story, which certainly has played out over the last couple of years. I think a good example of us, or the connectivity of our 10 principles of value investing. If you want to learn more about our thoughts on free cash flow and what it typically means for stock prices, check out our website, and thanks for watching.